So if you have a particular product that you want to get out, so let's say the pen, for example, someone who bought your wallet, then what you could do is first you ask your actual audience and your customers if they'd like a pen. And you can do it like a bit more sophisticated than just, hey, would you like a pen, of course. You can do a questionnaire, things like that. But then what you can actually do is you can get a pen, right? So you can send it out and say, I'm thinking of these 4 pens as a upsell or as a product to go with your wallet. It's got the same leather, it's got this, it's got that. Out of the 4 pens, which one would you like? If, you know, I'm going to be giving one away, going to be looking at which one's the most popular, and then people will vote for it. And then what happens is when they vote for that best pen, then what you can do is you can send a pre-order out to those people that voted, and you can tell them, hey, this pen's going to be $60, but during pre-order, it's $30. So now people are actually paying you $30 for the pen. And if you have a list of, you know, 10 people, that's $300. If you got a list of 100 people, that's $3,000 that you've been paid. You can buy the pen and then you can ship it to them, right? So that's something you do. Adam wrote, Dubs the dog weighted plush toy. So that's Adam's product. It's actually a plush dog toy. It's really good for kids that have anxiety and things like that. And I guess it's a comfort dog for sure. But for example, he has Dubs the dog, right, which is a plush dog toy. So Adam could actually do a coloring book, right, of Dubs the dog. He can actually even do a book, a kid's book of Dubs the dog, right? So now we're thinking, instead of getting another plush animal, Adam could just get a coloring book, or he could get a storytelling book or a pop-up book, right? And then he can actually sell that to his customers, right, as an upsell. So if someone buys a plush dog and then you see an upsell on your Shopify store, it says, hey, get a coloring book of Dubs, The Adventures of Dubs, right? Get a sticker pack, get a puzzle, right? And you can get all that for another $20. And all that's probably cost Adam only about $5, right? Because you can get that stuff fairly easily. People are going to buy it. You know, it's a bit more of an experience. So that is an idea for you, Adam. But that's kind of the things that we're looking at, right? Is what can you actually upsell? Now you can do this really well if you have your own website, right? Because on Amazon it's a bit harder to upsell. On your own website, as soon as someone clicks that particular product, they'll receive an upsell notification. They'll say, hey, would you like to add these for X amount? And then if you did stickers, or you can do a puzzle. So if you had Dubs, The Adventures of Dubs, and then you could actually get them on a subscription where every single month you're sending them a new coloring book, you're sending them crayons, you're sending them new sticker packs, or new puzzles. So you could actually even do that, Adam.
Hey there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. That video actually was from the regular Monday night Q&A session, excuse me, that I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 of us now, and growing, by the way. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Now, if you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and get yourself off there and come and join us, all you need to do is go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that, by the way, is underneath this video, and I will welcome you with open arms and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Till then, have a good one. Bye.